Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you are watching day 19 of the Hemline Sewing Advent Calendar. Yes, I'm feeling a little silly. Don't you love it? I'd gone out shopping with my two boys, and I was getting them Christmas shirts. Because it's just kind of been a tradition that we all get a new Christmas shirt every year. It's kind of like we have a present that they open on Christmas Eve, and it's always pajamas. I don't care how old they get, you know, as long as they're living in my house and we're doing this, we're going to try to stick with those couple of traditions. I hope you have some traditions that you keep doing, and I'd love to hear about some of them. But anyway, we were out. Neither one of them liked the shirts they saw at one Walmart, so we went to a different Walmart. And while we were there, I was looking at the hats, and I decided I wanted this cowboy hat. It's got the fur around it, you know. I think I wore it a day or two ago. But I just said, did anybody else want hats? Yep, they sure did. So I'm kind of borrowing one of their hats. But I digress. Let's get back to the Advent Calendar. Day 19. Let's see. There it is. I'm blind. Day 19. Fabric clips. Oh, I love these. I love these. These are great. These will go right into my little container that is just full of these. And I really like these because then, you know, you're not poking holes in things. And you can also get the binder clips from, you know, like Dollar Tree or someplace. So 19 is being turned upside down. Oh my goodness. Only 5 more days to go. It's getting real, people. I wonder what else we're going to get. So far, so good. Everything, I think, is very utilitarian. I'm very pleased, and I look forward to using them. I am itching to get downstairs to my sewing room. I have lots that I want to get done, but I can't go down there and do it until I get supper going, or a cake or something. I've got to start working on the goodies. We make it like a week-long, 2-week-long celebration of having goodies. And we're going to try to go more healthy, I think. I mean, I'm sorry, we still need to have chocolate, you know. But we'll go as healthy as we can. Make a few substitutions where we can. So, tell me, what is your healthy thing that you like to make or buy for your family at Christmas time? Let me know in the comments. I am interested. And while you're down there, be sure to check out our store and also our Amazon store. Lots of great gift ideas for the sewist in your family, or for the geocacher in your family, or, you know, just about anybody. Lots of games, books. We have a lot of stuff down there. So be sure to check that out. Find us on Facebook, Crazy Dave's Crew, the Crazy D Ranch, and Rabbitry, which David's got to get out there and do a little bit of work. It is starting to get cold, and they tolerate the cold better than the heat. They do have fur coats on, but we do need to make sure that there's no drafts. There was one year, and it was Christmas time. In fact, I think that it got down to the single digits And Christmas Eve, we're out there, David out there particularly, battening down the hatches and using hay to, bulk up their cages so they have something, to cuddle into. Did not lose a rabbit, and we actually had one give birth on the coldest day of the year. Ironically, that year we had one that gave birth on the hottest day of the year and one that gave birth on the coldest day of the year. The one that gave birth the hottest day of the year, she did not survive, and we had to foster her babies to another mama. And but the one that gave birth on the coldest day, she survived. And if you're interested in any of the books that we have read on our Thursday Threads book club, be sure to check that out. And for sewing videos and to be in a community, sewing and crocheting for beginners. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're getting ready for the holidays. I hope family is not too stressful. I hope you enjoy every minute with your family. Please be sure to like and comment and share our video. That's the best compliment you can give to us. And check out some of the other videos going on. My two boys each are doing advent calendars as well. Most importantly, come back tomorrow for day 20. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.